Good morning everyone. Now today in this class we'll discuss few of the questions arithmetic progression of class 9 which is from advanced maths and I don't have books, so I have to use the mobile to see the question. Now last time maybe we did up to question number 23, so now today we'll start from question number 24. First of all, if first term, second term and nth term of an AP are A, B and L respectively, then show that n equal to twice A minus B minus L by A minus B as n equal to A plus L into twice A minus B minus L by 2 into A minus B. Okay. Now here what is first term given? First term is equal A. Second term equal B. And the nth term, that is last term, nth term equal to L. First question is show that n equal to twice A minus B minus L by A minus B. Okay, now if the first term is A and the second term is B, then what is the common difference? Let the common difference be what we consider it is as D. So common difference equal to second term minus first term, that is B minus A. So second term equal to B, first term A. So common difference second term minus first term. Now what is given? Nth term, that is An equal to L. Yes, An equal to L. Now An formula, we have to prove what? We have to prove, first thing is prove that n equal to twice A minus B minus L by A minus B. Okay. Now An equal to L. An formula A plus n minus 1 D equal L, which implies A equal A plus n minus 1 D. D means B minus A equal L. Now we have to find the value of n from this equation. A plus Bn minus An plus B plus A equal L, which implies Bn minus An equal L minus B minus twice A. Yes, correct. Let me see. Bn minus An, which is minus B, sorry, plus B. Okay. Now here Bn minus An, n common, B minus A equal L plus B minus twice A. So what is n? N equal L plus B minus twice A by B minus A. But this is not the question. Question is prove that n equal to twice A minus B minus L by A minus B. So after simplification, next step will be n equal, if I change the places, as subtraction does not follow the what property? Commutative property. That's why if we change the places, minus twice A plus L plus B divided by minus A plus B. If I take both in numerator and denominator minus common, then what will happen? Twice A, it become minus L, it become minus B by minus common A minus B. Minus minus cancel, so n equal twice A minus L minus B by A minus B. That is what we have to prove, that n equal to twice A minus L minus B by A minus B. This is the process, nothing. first I wrote down what is given. A, first term A, second term B, and term L. Let the common difference be D. Yes, and D equal to B minus A, that is second term minus first term. Then again nth term equal to L, which is given. So nth term equal to L. Nth term formula A plus n minus 1 D equal L. A means A, n minus 1 remains same. Just I replace the value of D, which I got B minus A is equal to L. A, then I multiply it directly. Multiplication of binomial by a binomial. B into n, Bn, minus A into n, minus An, minus 1 into B, minus B, minus 1 minus A, plus A equal L. Then I keep all the n terms in the left hand side and take the other terms to the right hand side. So Bn minus An equal L. A plus A twice A, so it becomes minus twice A. Minus B, it becomes plus B. Then here n common, B minus A equal L plus B minus twice A. So L equal L plus B minus twice A by B minus A. And then I just change the places. Minus twice A plus B plus A by minus A plus B. Then in numerator and denominator minus common. So that is the answer. So after this, the second part. What is the second part? Prove that Sn equal to. Okay, Sn equal to. Now Sn equal. In Sn there are two formulas. Sn there are two formulas. And what are the formula? Sn equal to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 D. And second one is Sn equal to n by 2 A plus n. Now this formula will be used if the last term is given and the first term is given and number of term is given. So here in this question, number of terms is this one. First term A given and the last term also given L. So we can use this formula. Sn equal to n by 2 A plus n. Now what is n? Replace twice A minus L minus B by 2 into A minus B and then A plus L. This is the question, yes. A plus L into twice A minus B minus L by 2 into A minus B. This is the question. Got it? Simple, nothing, just use the formulas and do the calculation carefully. Now here in advanced maths, we will do the question slowly because it is complete in each chapter for you. Now question number 25. In an AP, TQ, QF term equal to twice the PF term and RF term equal to twice the QF term. Prove that 2Q minus 2P minus 3Q plus R equals 0. Here TP, TQ, okay. Now what are the given conditions? Question number 25. What are the given conditions? The given conditions are TQ equal twice into TP, and the second condition is RF term equal twice the QF term. Prove that, to prove that twice P minus 3Q plus R equal 0. This is the question. These are the given condition and that is the question what we have to prove. So here first of all these are given and this is what to prove. Actually the solution starts from here. Solution starts from here. So first let the first term be A. let the first term be A and common difference be D. Now use the first condition. According to question, qth term equal to twice into pth term. Qth term equal to twice into pth term. Now qth term formula means AQ, A plus Q minus 1 D, and this one A plus P minus 1 D. Next, A plus Q minus 1 D equal twice A plus twice P minus 2 D, which implies Q minus 1 D minus twice P minus 2 D equal twice A minus A. Twice A minus A. Now in left hand side, both the term having D, so D is common. Q minus 1 minus plus minus 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 plus equal to A. So D equal Q minus 2P plus 1 equal A. Equation number 1. Yes, correct. Let me check. TQ equal twice into TP. A plus Q minus 1D 2 into A plus P minus 1D. A plus Q minus 1D twice A twice P minus 2D. Q minus 1D minus 2P minus 2D twice A minus A. D common, Q minus 1 minus 2P minus minus plus 2 equal A. So Q minus 2P plus 1 equal to A. That is equation number 1. Now second one. Second given condition, TR equal 2 into TQ. This is second. TR means A plus R minus 1 D equal twice the qth term, that is A plus Q minus 1 D. TR equal to A plus R minus 1 D and qth term A plus Q minus 1 D. D twice A twice Q minus 2 D. Then R minus 1 D minus twice Q minus 2 D equal twice A minus A. So again D common, R minus 1 minus 2Q plus 2 equal A. That is D R minus 2Q plus 1 equal A. Equation number 2. So note down after here. Find equation 1 from the first given condition. Then find equation 2 from the second given condition. I just up to here. So after getting equation 1 and 2, subtract 1 from 2 or 2 from 1 and 1. So I did 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. So D Q minus 2P plus 1 minus D R minus 2Q plus 1 equal A minus A. Plus A minus A cancel. So here D common. Q minus 2P plus 1 minus R plus 2Q minus 1 equal 0. Then Q plus 2Q 3Q minus 2P plus R plus 1 minus 1 cancel equal 0 by D, simply 0. Now see, there is one other question. Prove that 2P minus 3Q plus R. So that is minus R. So again, if minus common, it become twice p minus 3q plus r equal 0, which implies twice p minus 3q plus r equal 0. This is what we have to prove. Twice p minus 3q plus r is equal to 0. Got it? Okay, now next question. The first term and the common difference of an AP are respectively A and D. In another AP, the first term and the common difference are respectively A dash and D dash. If S m equal to S dash m, then prove that m equal to 1 plus 2 into A minus A dash by D dash minus D. Okay, there are two APs. For the first AP, the common difference and first term are D and A, and for the second AP, first term A dash and common difference D dash. And the second given condition is S m equal to S dash m. Both represent the sum up to m terms. Now 26 solution. Question is S m equal to S dash m. S m equal to S dash m. Now S m formula, m by 2 twice A plus m minus 1 D. Yes, and then S dash m equal to, both represent m term. So m remains m, but in this series the first term is A dash and the common difference is D dash. So replace A by A dash and D by D dash. Both sides m by 2 cancel. So next, twice, sorry, no need. We will find m now. Okay. Twice A plus m minus 1 D equals twice A dash plus m minus 1 D dash. So m minus 1 D, multiply them, find the value of md minus D plus twice A equal twice A dash plus m D dash minus D dash. So md minus m D dash equal twice A dash minus D dash minus twice A plus D. So m common, D minus D dash equal, here again D minus D dash, then plus 2 common, A dash minus A. The next step, m equal D minus D dash by D minus D dash plus 2 into A dash minus A by D minus D dash. Okay, both will cancel. So it becomes m equal 1 plus 2 into A dash minus A by D minus D dash. Now we have to prove what? M equal to 1 plus 2 a minus a dash by d dash minus d. So we can change the places. 1 plus minus 2 into a minus a dash by minus d dash minus d. Cancel. So m equal 1 plus twice a minus a dash by d dash minus d. So this is the solution of question number 26. Let me explain once again. There are two APs. For the first AP, first term is A and the common difference is D. And for the second AP, the first term is A dash, common difference is D dash. And the given condition is Sm, means summation up to m term is equal to summation up to m term. But here it represents by m, it represents by S dash m, because here the first term is A dash, common difference is D dash. But both represent the sum up to m term. That's why m remains m. The change will be what? In the first term and the common difference. So as m equal to m by 2 twice a plus m minus 1 d equal m by 2. Here the first term will be a dash. So twice a dash plus m minus 1 d dash. Both side m by 2 cancel. The next remains same. Then I multiply them twice a, remove the bracket, twice a dash, remove the bracket. Then keep the m term to the left hand side and all to the other right hand side. Here m common, d minus d dash equal d minus d dash plus out of this 2 common a dash minus a. Then next line I divide each term on left hand side and right hand side by d minus d dash. So you cancel d minus d dash by d minus d dash twice a dash minus a by d minus d dash. Here also cancel 1, it remains same. If I change the places, then minus will be common. Minus cancel. That is what we have to prove. Yes. So thank you for this class. Bye.